$100 million courses. Hello, my friend. Today, in this video, we cover first, from good to great, second, pricing your course, third, designing your course offer, fourth, enhancing your course with bonuses, five, using guarantees, and finally, adding urgency. Hello guys, so this video is part of a series and playlist called Real-Time Documentation that you can watch here. And last episode, I talked about how I went from possible solutions to a successful product that my customers love because it solves their problems. I really encourage you to watch it because the dots connect, and I expect that you will have a product or list of products that you can provide to your customers. So let's start. From good to great. Let's face it, the internet has literally opened up a world of opportunities. I mean, you can find almost any piece of information you need at the tap of your fingers. So, no matter what your course topic be, it is very likely that there are way tens or even hundreds of courses about that. Therefore, the question is, how can you differentiate your product in a crowded market? And the answer is in making offers so good that people feel stupid choosing others. To announce my offer, I listened to Alex Hormozi's advice that you can find on his white book, 100 Million Offers, How to Make Offers So Good People Feel Stupid Saying No. So, how did I apply his knowledge to announce my Done For You service that helps informational entrepreneurs to convert their followers in paying students? So, the first thing that I did was pricing. Alex Hormozi says that the first thing that you need to do is to increase your product price because when you increase your prices, people perceive your offer as more valuable. Thus, they invest more time and energy in your program, which produce better results for them in the long term. So, my new price was $150 for the course and $5,000 for the service. As always, I will leave these templates completely free, and it is the top link at the description of the video, and you don't even need to register your email to get access to the content. So use it and enhance your course offer. Second, the value formula. The second reason because your offer may not be converting is that you provide too little value compared to the price that you have. Thus, you need to increase your value so that your price increase gets also justified. And to increase my offer value, I use the value formula. The value formula was designed by Alex Hormozi, and he says that the value for your offer, is equal to the dream outcome or the result that your offer gives to your customers times the perceived likelihood of achievement. I mean, how likely is your customers to achieve that outcome, divided by the time and effort that your customers need to invest in your offer. So, what does it mean? Well, for example, a high value offer may be get a six pack. Get a six pack guarantee. I mean, it is 100% sure that you are going to get your six pack and you are going to get it immediately just by clicking a button. That will be an extremely valuable offer. Now, let's do a low value offer. And it could be lose 1 pound, just 1 pound, and it is not guaranteed. I mean, you could lose 1 pound, or maybe you don't lose anything, or maybe you even increase your weight and you do it after a full year of workouts that you need to perform every day for at least 3 hours every day. Now, let's go to a real life example. Remember that we want to maximize this and minimize this. So, the dream outcome that I was providing is to sell their courses. I remember that it is a service for course creators, and I will increase the perceived likelihood of achievement by telling my story using testimonials and my own certifications. The time and the things that I want to reduce are time. I mean, how much time does it take to achieve the final result and support it? So I said, you will understand your followers in just 1 week and convert them into customers in 6 weeks. And the final part is effort and sacrifice. I mean, how much work does the customer need to put? And I want to reduce that as well. So the customer only had to do a weekly meeting with us and just to repost some content in social media. Third, the offer. You probably already have a list of possible solutions that will solve your customers' problems, and this might be inside your course lessons or steps in your training program. Or at least that was something that I did have from a last video that you can watch here. Therefore, following Alex Hormozi's advice, I only had to classify this solution in 4 categories. So basically, you classify all of the solutions that you have considering two things. First one, the value that your customers get from that solution. And second, the cost in time or money that you need to afford in order to provide that solutions. So basically, you classify it like low value, like cost, low value, high value, low cost, and high value, high cost. Obviously, the best solutions are those that provide high value to your customers, but are also of low cost for you. And as Hormozy says, I only kept the highly valuable stuff, so the stuff that is in the wind, while I reduce the number of high value and high cost solutions to a maximum of 4. So it looked like this. For high cost and high value, I had a customer success coach to guarantee you results and guide you at every step, while low cost and high value was a welcome video about the benefits of the program as well as the things that you can expect. For bonuses. Then I focus on tools that will help my customers to achieve their goals more quickly and easily. I chose specifically highly valuable tools for my customers, like templates and checklists, and other people's products that don't add more cost in time or money for myself. For example, the template for writing an effective email campaign that increases sales. Get my cheat codes and example of campaigns that are currently used. Or the free forever hosting platform to host your course as well as your website page without paying a penny or sharing sales as transaction fees. 5. Guarantee. Alex Hormozi said, your offer may not be converting because it is too risky for your customer. And he shared multiple kinds of warranties that you could use to reduce that perceived risk from buying your products and not getting what they expected. From all of this, I built 3 possible warranties to use with my service. One of these said, if you don't achieve a 50% increase in income at the end of the program, you will get 21 days of service more completely free. You can read the other ones and the top link in the description. Anti-guarantee. Even so, I think that for courses and digital products, the best guarantee are what Osmosis calls like anti-warranties. where you explain the vision because you don't give guarantees. I mean, you basically say that failure is impossible if they follow your advice. When you do anti guarantees, you also increase your cost value as people think that the likelihood of achievement is higher. Remember the offer value formula. So you say something like, we don't give any guarantee because once you know who your high value customer is, there are no returning points. It is impossible to don't make more money when you know where the money is. 6. Urgency. Finally, Alex Hormozi said that your offer may not be converting because people delay the purchase. Actually, your customers may delay the purchase so much that they forget about you. Therefore, you need to add urgency and scarcity to your offer and make sure that people act faster, hopefully just after seeing your offer. And the way I applied this to my freelance service was, look at, I'll be honest with you. I haven't been a lot of time in the market, so we need more testimonials. And if you buy now, you'll be under the proof program, which means that you get all the bonuses for free if you give us a testimonial. But I honestly don't know how many testimonials more I might need. Even so, if I were selling an online course, I will do the following. Because it's Christmas, I'm going to give you these bonuses for free. So you better sign up because I'm 100% sure that these bonuses don't be available the next month. And in the next month, in January, you change the tools that you give for free. I mean, you are constantly changing your bonuses every month to add urgency to your offer. 7. Naming your offer. Finally, Alex Hormozi says, your offer may not be converting because your customers don't know it is for them, or it solves their problems in the way they want to. So, you're going to use the magic formula to give a name to your offer and your bonuses. The magic formula is magnet. Look at here is the word magic. Magnet, the reason because your offer is great. Avatar, who. Third, goal, what is the win result that your customers get? Fourth, indicate a time interval. I mean, how long does it take? And finally, the container word or the vehicle that the offer is packed. For example, I named my offer Light, the 6-week program to convert followers in paying students, especially for educational entrepreneurs that want a team of experts to save time and avoid mistakes. And you're going to do the same, to use the same formula with your bonuses and your product features. Conclusion. That is all, folks. I hope that you have learned something new. And remember, today we cover first, from good to great. Second, pricing your course. Third, designing your course offer. Fourth, enhancing your course with bonuses. 5. Using guarantees. 6. Adding urgency. And 7. Naming your offer. And this was inspired from Alex Hormozi's book, 100 Million Offers. You can also find a free course about that book in his website. I will let you the link in the description. As always, I will leave these templates completely free so you can fill up yours and enhance your course offer. It is the top link in the description and you don't even need to register your email. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. Please share and enjoy, my friend.